OnePlus is gearing up to launch several smartphones this year, building upon the release of its flagship OnePlus 13 series. Upcoming smartphones such as the OnePlus 13 Mini, OnePlus A6 series, as well as the flagship OnePlus 14 have been leaked by a tipster. The tipster also mentioned the OnePlus 14, claiming that the phone will launch in October. That goes for its China launch. The OnePlus 14 is expected to have a big 6.82-inch screen with AMOLED technology making colors look bright and clear. It may have a 120 Hz refresh rate, which means the screen will be very smooth while scrolling or playing games. Come with Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 and up to 24 GB of RAM, making it good for multitasking and running heavy apps. The storage options might include 1 TB. The OnePlus 14 will likely run on Android 15 with OxygenOS 15. The OnePlus May 14th have 3 powerful cameras on the back. This includes a 50MP main camera, a 50MP zoom camera, and a 50MP wide-angle camera. The OnePlus 14 is expected to have a huge 6,500 mAh battery, support 120W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.